Hello everyone! In this video, you will see some accidents caused by reckless driving, which will make your body tremble. If this accident had happened in real life instead of a movie scene, they would be sent to jail for complete disregard for their own and others' safety. Anyways, let's get the video started now. The car lost control and drove towards the man, narrowly escaping death. Why do you think the car's wheels suddenly came off? What do you think? The car is causing such an accident due to overspeeding. The car's brakes failed due to the icy road. Explore possible causes of brake failure. Suddenly, the brakes of the private car were not working, making it impossible to control the private car. I think the brakes failed, and it fell into the water. The car met with such an accident because it was coming from the wrong side. The car lost control and crashed into a shop on the side of the road. Such an accident has occurred due to overspeeding. The big car could not be controlled due to its high speed, which led to the accident. Salute to the drivers for braking their cars to give animals a chance to cross the road. The car is having an accident due to excessive speed. Such an accident would not have happened if the other car had not been able to overtake. The car suddenly slows down, causing it to repeatedly collide with the car behind it. A collision occurred between two cars, as one private car tried to overtake another. What a big accident happened because of overspeeding. Oh my God, he survived a major accident. The black car changed lanes, causing such a big accident. Many fatal accidents have occurred due to oversteer on the wrong side of the road. A fatal accident occurred due to overtaking a large vehicle at high speed. The car lost control and fell off the overbridge, catching fire and causing extensive damage. An entire gas pump was burned to ashes due to a car accident. Due to the heavy rain, the car's brakes failed, and the driver went out of control. Such a major accident occurred because the vehicle lost control due to excessive overload. I salute the diver for saving the car from an accident. The accident occurred because the vehicle was too high. This fatal accident occurred during a road change due to carelessness. Oh my God, the man narrowly escaped a major accident. The car collided head-on with the body because it was coming from the opposite side. See how the fatal accident happened due to overspeeding. Due to the high speed, the driver was unable to control his vehicle, which resulted in a fatal accident. Thank you everyone, all for watching the video to the end. If you found the video educational and useful, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video.